The following message is transmitted at the request of the Clinton County Sheriff's Office. Authorities have received numerous reports of an unknown red car traveling at an extremely high rate of speed along U.S. Route 220. Eyewitness accounts indicate that the vehicle is moving so rapidly that it is proving impossible to accurately calculate its speed. The situation poses a significant risk to other drivers and pedestrians in the area. As a precaution, U.S. Route 220 is closed between the intersections of Pennsylvania Route 120 and Pennsylvania Route 64. No traffic will be allowed on this stretch of roadway after 10 a.m. as law enforcement agencies work to safely manage the situation and prevent any potential accidents. Residents are urged to avoid the area and seek alternative routes until further notice. Please stay tuned for updates from local authorities and ensure that you keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Thank you for your attention to this serious matter.